Introducing the kid who thinks he's got all the stuff to put it on his blog. With a weird foot. Introducing Case Techo. He will have, folks, 2 minutes to show his stuff. Starting now. Look at that focus. Whoa, lost it. Can't see you. Whoa, don't catch the camera. One minute and 10 seconds left. Folks, he is working hard. Whoa! Nailed the dresser. Wall past his own wall. Dummied the carpet. Ooh, scissors. Pullback, Cruyff, whatever that was. Folks, Case is down to 45 seconds. Will he pull off a greatest move? A signature move? Don't know what that is yet. Oh, wait. I think he's starting to show something. Camera zooming in. Folks, he has 25 seconds. I sense he's getting tired. That was cool. You did that so fast, I didn't think the camera got that. Can your camera do slow motion?
I don't think so.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.